Have you ever felt like there's so much more to see, to understand, to experience? Beyond the ordinary, a third eye, an ancient concept, holds the key to unlocking this deeper perception. Let's talk about one of the most profound moments in spiritual history when Shiva opened his third eye. Why does this matter? It's not because of his wild tales or extraordinary feats. What makes Shiva unforgettable is the moment he opened that door to a new dimension of perception. Shiva didn't just dance, meditate, or conquer the Himalayas. He unlocked a level of awareness most of us can only dream of, and that's why we still honor him today. The third eye isn't just about seeing with your physical eyes, it's about seeing beyond. To know is true freedom. But here's the catch. There's no shortcut to knowing unless your perception expands beyond where it is now. Shiva opened his third eye because he was willing to burn away all that clouded his vision. Every attachment, every belief, he burned it all. You might wonder why fire was involved. That's because fire symbolizes the transformation that occurs when you surrender everything. When Shiva opened his third eye, it wasn't just about a new perception. It was about purging every ounce of ignorance, burning away everything that no longer served him. From that intense purification came something extraordinary. Instead of sweat or blood, ash poured from his body, a symbol that he had let go of everything, becoming truly empty. Now let's talk about how you can open your third eye. There are two powerful methods. The first way, allowing a complete vacuum to form within. When the inner space becomes utterly empty, the doorway can no longer resist. It has to open. Think of it like this. You burn away everything you think you know, the third eye opens. Like the door to a whole new world. People saw fire because the process was intense and transformative. The second way involves tainting everything inside. Hold back your thoughts, emotions, and even words. It's like pressure building up inside until it finds an outlet. While this method works, it can be unpredictable. Too much pressure and you might burst before the door opens. But here's the thing. Many people try to follow the middle path. It's a way of avoiding both extremes, but in doing so, you never truly go anywhere. It's like standing between two roads. One leads to danger, the other to fire. The middle path just keeps you stuck, going nowhere. So here's the lesson. To open your third eye, you have to either empty yourself completely or let the pressure build until it bursts open. But beware of the middle path. It's a dead end that won't take you anywhere. The key is to decide whether you're ready to go deep into yourself, to burn away what's holding you back, and to truly see. There's a hidden power within us all, the pineal gland. In yoga, one transformative practice involves moving energy downward to the south. This shift is symbolized in the story of Shiva, who turned his third eye southward. When his third eye moved, it shifted from the top of his head down to between his two eyes. At that moment, something extraordinary occurred. He began to perceive realities no one else could imagine. This shift in perception is tied to a secretion from the pineal gland, called Amrit or Amruta in Sanskrit. This essence has profound mystical properties. The Amrit can serve multiple purposes. It can fortify the body, extending its lifespan, or it can induce a state of profound bliss, like an intoxicating spiritual experience. Alternatively, it can enhance your perception, making everything around you seem to flow through you. Imagine if the air didn't just pass through your nostrils but flowed through you entirely, as if you were one with the wind. You may have experienced this feeling when carefree and joyful, standing in a breeze. It feels like the wind is not just blowing past you, it's passing through you. This is the power of Amrit, enhancing your sensitivity and awareness. This energy can shape your life in three ways. First, by strengthening the body, making it unbreakable, almost superhuman. Second, it can overwhelm you with bliss, making you unconcerned with the length of life. The third path is to make your perception as light as air, where you effortlessly flow through life with no resistance. Ultimately, the most important use of Amrita is to expand your perception. When you transcend comparison, only then can you experience true freedom.